Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this gaming headset with microphone. It's compatible with the PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox, Mac, Switch, and just compatible with a lot of things. This headset has a noise canceling technology, and of course is a gaming headset of headphones. And these also have a LED lights that look very cool. And they have a deep bass, and these are meant for kids or adults. And overall, I really liked the quality. They feel very sturdy, and I feel like they look very cool. And I chose this red color, but they have other colors you can choose from. I just feel like the overall appearance and the material and the design of this headset is superior. It looks so cool. You can tell it's super high quality. And I just love that it's just super high quality. The headband is adjustable. It has the microphone switch, which I'm showing you guys right here, which you can mute or unmute if you want to speak, and also the volume little rotating disc on the side for you to adjust the volume. And it also has the LED lighting effects, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. These also have a sensitive microphone that provides clear voice chat, so your voice is going to be super clear and super high quality, and a clear surround sound experience, which is so cool and fun. And the ergonomic fit of these headset is just so perfect. So overall, final thoughts, I feel like this gaming headset is so cool. It's so high quality. It just meets all my expectations, and I've used it for a little in over 2 weeks, and I've been really liking it. It's so high quality, and it just so perfect. I really like it, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a headset. This is just me very into my game, but yeah, I totally recommend it.